break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini just a race with China.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video from your girl. So today I'm going to be installing this wig by Yolissa Hair. This is a 5x5 closure wig in the texture water wave, and she is 28 inches. So I am going to be applying a spray to install this wig today, and I just went ahead and took some alcohol to remove any oil or makeup on my skin before I actually apply my spray. And what I'm going to be using to lay my wigs today is my Erica J Super Melted Grip Spray, and I'm just going to do 2 layers of this. The first layer I'm going to let it dry down completely, and the second layer I'm going to go ahead and add my lace. So one thing I will say about this spray, it will definitely have your lace melted. Like, if you want the maximum melt that you can get, I highly recommend this spray. The only thing about it is it doesn't last that long, which it actually says that on the website, that it's not meant to really last over 48 hours. So I think it's actually 24 hours, but yeah, it doesn't last long at all. So if you are looking for like a super strong hold of a spray that's just gonna last you for like 3 days or more than that, this is definitely not it. But if you're just looking for something really temporarily and you just want your wig to be melted, this is perfect. So right here, I'm just go ahead and pulling out some baby hairs because I am going to be doing some baby hairs with this look today.
All these gossiping ass niggas got my name in their mouth. I know the bad bitches, but no niggas who bitches too. They should bleed once a month. Cause that what these bitches do. You a bitch, and you bitch should expose you. All that pillow talking, nigga, that what the hoes do. You a bitch. Word to my nigga short. We won't never write no statement. We ain't showing up.
So here I'm just using my Andy's hot comb to hot comb my edges up, and then I'm going to take that same Erica J spray and spray it on this edge comb, and I'm just going to use this to comb my edges of the wig up. So then I just went and tied everything down with my elastic band that they give you in the package. And I'm about to lay this wig because I love a flat wig. The flatter the wig, the better it looks, in my opinion. I think that it plays a very important role in how natural your wig is going to look. So I'm just going in with my She Is Bomb wax stick on the roots of the hair. And then I'm going to go over it with my Andy's hot comb on the hottest setting and just flat iron over top of that. And I mention this a lot, but the foundation underneath your wig also plays a role in how flat you can get it. If you have like really big bulky braids underneath your wig, then your wig is going to feel bulky. But if your hair underneath is flat, or you have like really small braids, it's going to look even more natural because everything is just going to conform so much better to your head. Me personally, I do like to do small little braids. Lately, I've been flat ironing my natural hair, and I've been wearing my natural hair a lot more. So whenever I put a wig on, I kind of just slick my hair back, which because my hair is already straight, it's just so much easier to slick it back. But I just slick it all the way back and put it in a low bun at the bottom, and that's how I've been getting it to be really flat on my head also.
I ain't texting back that bitch. I ain't stressing about that bitch. 21 go get the stick. Hold up. Bitch, I like her. Hold up.
So then I'm going to go in and tweeze the baby hairs a little bit. I don't really like super thick baby hairs. I like my baby hairs to be really, I'm not going to say natural, because some people might not agree with me when I say that my baby hairs are natural, but to me, they look natural. But yeah, I'm just tweezing them to thin them out a little bit, and so they just not super thick and bulky looking baby hairs. And then I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and I'm going to cut my baby hairs at a slanted angle. This just gives them the most natural look, in my opinion.
I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. Hold up.
And then I'm going to take my pencil flat iron that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to curl them upward. This just kind of gets them into shape before I start to mold them down, which to mold them today, I'm just going to be using some mousse. This is the Lot of Body mousse. And I'm just going to put the mousse on the baby hairs and then use my edge comb to get them into shape.
Hold up, I don't give a fuck about no ring. Hold up, money make my old bitches hate. Hold up, bitch, you still stay on session.
And I be seeing a lot of slander online about baby hairs lately. Like, people be calling them adult hairs and just saying all type of crazy stuff about them. But I'm just here to tell you, y'all, you should wear your hair however you want to wear your hair. If you like baby hairs, rock them baby hairs. If you don't like baby hair, don't rock them baby hairs. It's as simple as that. Wear your hair how you want to wear your hair. I just had to give a quick PSA real quick. So after I get them into shape, I just added a little bit more mousse on top, and then I'm just going to tie everything down with my elastic band. So like I said in the beginning, this wig is Water Wave Texture by Yolissa Hair. And I have to say, I think that this is hands down my favorite texture of hair on a wig. I just love the loose curls. I love how it's so easy to manage and maintain. It just really just look, and it looks really cute. Like, I don't know, it's just such a pretty texture of hair. So the only thing I'm doing to define it is I'm just adding a little bit of water in a spray bottle, and then I'm just going in with a little bit of the Lot of Body mousse. You can use whatever mousse it is that you have, or whatever mousse that works for you. It doesn't really matter. And I'm just going in on the hair and using this wide tooth comb to comb everything out. So simple, so easy, and it doesn't take much to define it at all. That's another reason why I love this texture of hair. It doesn't take much. But yeah. And another thing I love about this hair is the shedding is very minimal. I feel like whenever you have like a kinkier texture of hair, it sheds a little bit more for some reason. But the looser curl texture hairs like the waterways, they don't tend to shed as much as something that I've noticed. So yeah, that's a great thing about this wig. So after defining the curls, I'm going to just take the elastic band off and use my little edge comb to comb out the edges, because I lately have been into more fluffier, natural type of baby hair. So combing them out just gives them less of a harsher look, and it just makes like a softer type of look. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me makeup. This is foundation in the color Coconut, and I'm just going to use this little fluffy brush to tap on the lace and get this to blend better with my skin tone. And then I'm going to take LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey, and I'm just going to use this to trace out my part. I really like this color of the concealer because it's not super orange, and it's more of like a neutral type of color rather than being like super yellow undertone or super orange or super red undertoned. So this is the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Look at those curls, y'all. They are so pretty and juicy. OMG. If y'all are interested in purchasing this wig, go click the link in my description box right now. Go check it out. Everything will be linked in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in my next one.